something big, guys. Probably a bass. I mean a good one. If he don't come off, I probably should have got it. I probably should have brought a net. I ain't think I'm gonna catch anything this big down here. It's a big fish right here. Probably a carp. That's a big old bass, guys. I'm talking about a good bass up under here. This is probably a. Ooh, this joker here. Man, it's probably about a. It's probably about a 4-pound bass, maybe. Maybe. See if I can reach down here and pick it up. Barely got it hooked, guys. Barely got it hooked. Barely got it hooked. I mean, barely got it. Can I reach down there? God dang it. I'm about to go out there on the land to get this thing up. That's pretty steep. I might can get it. Let's see. Let's see. I might can get it. I don't want my phone to drop out or nothing. Take stuff out of my pocket. I ain't trying to lose nothing. This how you lose stuff when you do this. This how you lose stuff, guys. God dang it. All right, let me see here. This is what we're gonna do. If he come off, it's all good, but that's what we're gonna do. There we go. I don't want to give it no slack. No slack. Ooh, I'm trying to do this. 53-year-old man, guys, trying to do this for y'all. Trying to do this for y'all. Where is it? Where is it? Don't come on. This is $1 million fish. There you go, guys. I got it. Wow. Look at there. Barely had it hooked. That wasn't no good. Underspin. Got the job done. I'm gonna get my scale for this one. Guys, look at that big old bass. Man, that made me work. I had to get on my knees on that one. Look at that big old bass, guys. I'm talking about a big old bass. This is easy, probably close to 4 pounds, guys. So I'm gonna run and get my scale. I'm gonna take it with me. I don't want it to flop itself, yeah, to kill itself up on this concrete. So I'm gonna run up and get my scale right quick, and then we're gonna put them back in the water. All right, guys, got my scale, so I'm gonna weigh it, and guess what? I'm taking this one home. I'm gonna eat this one. I'm gonna eat this one today. So let me weigh it right quick. I haven't had fish in a long time, and I haven't had bass in a long time. We're gonna eat this bad baby. All right, so let's see. See how much it weighs. All right, guys, we got 4 pounds, 2 ounces, guys. There you go, you guys can see that. 4 pounds, 2 ounces. Big old slab, big old thick slab. Gonna make some good dinner tonight. Yep. 4 pounds, 2 ounces. All right. I'm gonna get in the sun so y'all can see better. I noticed it's shade make my videos look a little dark. There we go. Very pretty bass. Very pretty bass. All right. Yep, I'm gonna eat that one tonight, guys. I'm gonna eat this one tonight. That bass is clean. Look, I mean, nice white fillet. Ooh, that's a nice big fillet, guys. That's a lot of meat right there. I'm about to get that. Well, that grease hot. About to go down, guys. Got that 4-pound bass, 4.3. I'm about to go up and see how it tastes. I'm gonna let you guys know how it tastes. Got that one big one, but it's a lot of meat for me, guys. So, and I haven't fried fish or ate fried fish in a long time. I mean, a very long time. So, I think it's gonna taste pretty good, guys. I got it seasoned up really good, though. I think it's gonna taste really good. Those are some big fillets. I'm gonna let those go a little bit longer. That was fine. They're cooked to pretty good. But they're big and thick. I'm letting them cook just a little bit. Then we're gonna do a taste test. All right, guys, we're gonna see what the bass tastes like, guys. 4.3 pounds. There you go. I got some Red Hot Original hot sauce, and I got some Signature Select Louisiana hot sauce, guys. Also got this over here, but I don't think I'm gonna try that. You never know. I try all kind of stuff. But there you go, guys. So we finna see. Got some corn on cob. We finna see what this bass tastes like. We're gonna try it right now, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna eat a piece of it before I put any sauce on it, just to see. Oh man, it's still hot. It's smoking. I'll make sure to let it cool off a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that smoke. Oh yeah. Jeez. All right, let's give it a try and see what happens. Let's give it a try and see what happens. God, I don't eat bass much. Bass good as heck. Bass is good as heck. That's not even with the hot sauce on it. So that propaganda that they be throwing out there that bass is not good, they crazy. Bass is really good. All right, now let's see. Let me eat a piece with some red hot, some Frank's red hot, guy. Golly, that's good. Woo. That seasoned just right too. All right, let's see. It's smoking, boy. Golly, it's smoking. And that just took it to another level. Give me another little piece. Frank's Red Hot is pretty good. Pretty darn good. Let me try this Louisiana hot sauce. This is Louisiana Select. Guys, the bass is good eating. Y'all are tripping. You guys don't want people to eat bass. Let's try this now. I think any hot sauce good with it. Woo! That was the hot one right there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. That was hot. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe. And hope y'all like this short video. Only one catch. 4.3 pound bass. Catch, clean, and cook. So I'm finna finish this off and enjoy my weekend. Tomorrow I might try to bring you guys a crappie video. And some deep water in my boat. So you guys have a blessed Saturday. Stay blessed and give me a thumbs up. And then on the next video, hopefully I can get you guys some more in-depth content and some better looking fish, especially when it comes to the crappies or the gills, some bigger fish. So y'all have a blessed one. Stay blessed and thanks for everything. Peace.